The internal capsule separates three areas of grey matter deep within the substance of each hemisphere: the thalamus and the caudate and lentiform nuclei. Strands of grey matter which connect these two nuclei across the internal capsule give the area a striped appearance, hence the name corpus striatum. The corpus striatum, the claustrum, and the amygdaloid complex of the limbic system comprise the basal nuclei. They are important in the fine control and coordination of movement. The caudate nucleus is C-shaped. It has a head, a body, and a tail. The head bulges into the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. Lateral to the caudate nucleus is the wedge-shaped lentiform nucleus. The smaller, paler part is the globus pallidus, the remainder the putamen. Further lateral is the claustrum, a thin sheet of grey matter which separates two sheets of white matter, the external and the extreme capsules. Anteriorly, the putamen fuses with the head of the caudate nucleus. They are similar in structure and together are known as the neostriatum. Afferents converge on the neostriatum from the cerebral cortex, the thalamus, and the substantia nigra. Fibers extend from almost all parts of the cortex, but most from the sensorimotor cortex, and least from the visual cortex. Most of the outflow from the corpus striatum passes to the globus pallidus, then back to the thalamus, the subthalamus, and the substantia nigra. The outflow reaches motor centers by ascending from the thalamus to the motor cortex, the so-called extrapyramidal route, rather than by descending in corticospinal tracts through the pyramids of the medulla. Disease of the corpus striatum may cause Parkinson's disease, characterized by poverty of movement, rigidity, tremor due to rapid alternating contraction of opposing muscle groups, and loss of accompanying movements such as facial expressions and arm swinging.